So if you're like me, you make videos through screencasting. I use Screencastify. There's also Screencast-O-Matic, a bunch of different fun ones. All right. However, right now we're having a difficulty with the Google Drive videos. So even though we're setting them to public and waiting for them to be processed, the kids still can't see them. All right. So what's the resolution? Well, the resolution is uploaded to YouTube. Okay. The problem with that is if you click here, publish to YouTube, you could get an error message like I am. Right. So if this works for you, clicking this and it sends it to your YouTube account, fantastic. If not, your other option is to download the MP4. Right. So you're going to export the MP4 file. All right. So this happens in 2 stages. All right. First, it exports it and then you download it, and it'll download it into your files, right, into your downloads drive. Right. The next step, once you have that downloaded onto your Chromebook or your computer, is to come to YouTube. Now, you want to make sure that you are signed into YouTube with your school account. Okay. So once you get here and you're logged in with your school account, you're going to come to where it says your channel. All right. So this is your YouTube channel. These are going to be all your videos that are public. All right. Now, to upload your video, you're going to come back up to your icon again, and you're going to go to your studio. All right. Once you're in your studio, all right, this is where you can actually do a lot of things with your videos that I'm not going to get into in this video, but maybe later. We'll see how long we're at home for. So what you're looking for is this upload button here. All right. So when you click on this button, all right, you can then click select file, and then you're going to find your MP4 video that you downloaded. Okay. If you don't see this, right, if it looks like this, just double click on downloads. All right. Another hint here, you can also access your drive. So if you have MP4 videos in your drive, all right, maybe in your Screencastify folder, all right, you can also, some of these are WebMs though, so they might not work. Only the MP4s would work. All right. So you find your video, which mine is in downloads, and then you open it. Now this video is already in here, but you walk through all the steps. If you want only your students to be able to see it, you're going to make your videos unlisted. All right. So only the people you give the link to can see it. If it's something like I'm making videos for a bunch of people and telling them to share them, I'm making them public so anybody can see those videos. All right. So you can play around with that. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me and let me know. All right. Once you have these videos uploaded, you can just share the link. All right. Your computer will copy it right to your clipboard, and then you can post those links wherever you need to. Google Classroom, and email, so on and so forth. All right.